Hello, I'm Sarah and this is my Tunisian Stitches collection. Today I'm showing you the beautiful Tunisian Seed Stitch. Create a traditional foundation row in Tunisian Simple Stitch, beginning from a chain in any number of stitches. The Tunisian Seed Stitch is a combination of two stitches, the Tunisian Knit Stitch and the Tunisian Reverse Stitch. So if you need to practice those two stitches, I will leave you the links to both stitch tutorials at the end of this video. So here I have my foundation row of 8 stitches, a very short one, and I'll start right away with the pattern. So insert the hook into the first vertical bar. As usual, we do not consider this vertical bar, the one that's right under the loop on the hook, but we consider this as first vertical bar. So we insert the hook into it as in Tunisian knit stitch, that is to say, we insert the hook right between the front bar and the back bar of the stitch. There. We yarn over and pull up a loop on the hook. This is the knit stitch. Then we'll work into the next vertical bar in Tunisian reverse stitch. Remember? So you go with the hook from behind, between again the back and front bar of the next stitch, like this. Yarn over and draw up a loop. So again we'll do a Tunisian knit stitch in the next stitch, followed by a Tunisian reverse stitch in the next stitch, from behind, there. Yarn over and draw up a loop. And we will keep on alternating those two stitches until the end of the forward pass. So now we have a knit stitch, followed by a reverse stitch. Okay, and we'll finish as always with a so-called neat closing stitch. I have a stitch, a video tutorial for the neat closing stitch, so you can look it up. I leave the link here on the right top corner. And here we'll proceed with a standard return pass by yarning over and pulling through one loop only first, then we yarn over again and pull through 2 loops together, and we repeat this second movement until the end of the row, like this. Okay, and on the following row, which is the third one, if you consider the foundation row as row number 1, we will work a Tunisian reverse stitch where we worked a Tunisian knit stitch in previous row and a Tunisian knit stitch on the reverse stitch of previous row. So here, since we have started with a Tunisian knit stitch, we will begin with a Tunisian reverse stitch done in the knit stitch. So like this, yarn over and drop a loop, followed by a Tunisian knit stitch in the reverse stitch of previous row. There you go. Again, reverse stitch and knit stitch, reverse stitch and knit stitch, always finishing in the same way with a neat closing stitch and a standard return pass. So I think you understand how this stitch is done now. The pattern is done this way. You can continue it as long as necessary, and it produces a beautiful grainy texture similar to the crochet seed stitch in a way, and I hope you liked it. So thank you for watching as always, and see you next time with my next Tunisian stitch. Bye bye.